Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. A for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence, list, tuple, string, etc., and execute a block of code for each element in the sequence. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive guide to understanding and using for loops in Python, with code examples for better comprehension. The basic syntax of a for loop in Python is as follows: output, 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 output. Iterating over numerical ranges. Summing elements in a list. Conditional statements within a loop. The for loop is a powerful construct in Python, enabling efficient iteration over various data structures. By understanding the basics and exploring examples, you can apply for loops to solve a wide range of programming problems. ChatGPT.